Hello, we are going to start with Unit 1, Variables and Expressions, and to practice we have some examples that we're going to solve. Let's start. For number 1 we have a statement and we need to find the expression that says twice the product. Twice means 2 times, right? Twice, 2 times the product. We need to find the product. The product, that means multiplication, and this we have two terms. One is m, the product of m and n. And now this product is decrease. Decrease means minus by the square. It tells us the square of a sum. Let's find first the sum. The sum of two terms, again, m and n. And this, don't forget the square. The square to the power of 2. The sum to the power of 2. The sum m plus n. And that's our answer. We can simplify this. 2 times m times n minus the sum of m and n to the power of 2, which is answer B, number 2. We have again another statement and we need to find the expression. This says the product of a number x, one number x, and the product means multiplication, remember, and 4. The product of a number x and 4 is decrease by 12. So again, let's simplify this. 4 times x minus 12. Decrease means minus or rest, which is answer D. Now the third one. This statement says the quotient. Quotient is the result of a fraction. We have it here. The quotient is a quantity produced by the division of two numbers. So the quotient has to be 19 over D. Is increase. Increase means add 7. And our answer is A. The fourth one. This is one of the kind of hard, but let's understand. It says that Mario has received a Y amount of text messages each minute for 10 minutes yesterday. Y stands for yesterday. And then he receives another day a T amount of text messages each minute for 20 minutes today. T stands for today. So we have two variables and we need to find the total number of text messages he received in the 2 days, in terms of y and t. So we have this. The total is gonna be equal to sum of the y amount of text messages we received yesterday plus the t amount of text messages we received today. Well, that's a t. Sorry, t. And we have to multiply the minutes because you receive each minute for 10 minutes. So that's 10. Sorry. That's y times 10 plus t times 20 because we receive a t amount of text messages per minute for 20 minutes. We can organize this equation. 10 times y plus 20 times t. That's the total, which is answer D. Now example number 5. We have expressions and we need to find which expression corresponds to this statement. So this tells us the product of 3k. The product means multiplication, so we have to multiply this by the sum, by the product of 3k and the sum of m, the sum of m and 1/3 of n. 1/3 is 1/3, right, of n. The product of 3k and the sum, the addition of two terms, m and 1/3 of n. M and 1/3 of n, which is answer C. And for the last one, we have this statement that is divided in two parts. The first one that says that the difference between two numbers, difference means minus. So the difference between two numbers, a minus b, let's call them a and b, is 8. The difference between two numbers is 8. Is could be equal to equal. Now for the other part, we know, or this tells us that the smaller number is n. So the smaller number is equal to n to the third power. And we have to find the greater number. We can solve this equation to find which number is the smaller. And let's say if we have to obtain 8 from this equation, we could use 8 and 16, right? because 16 minus 8 is gonna be equal to 8. So we know that b, the number b, is the smaller number. So b is equal to n to the third power. Now we need to find a, which is our greater number, and we have to solve this equation. A minus n to the third power, because we know from the answer that we have to use this n to the third power, because each answer has that, and usually they don't give you information unless it is necessary. So now a minus n to the third power is equal to 8. Let's simplify this. A equal to 8 plus this one is subtracting, it's going to add to the other side of the equation and to the third power, which looks like answer B. If we can organize this answer, and to the power of 3 plus 8. That's it. Thank you for watching.